User stories should be written from a specific user's perspective. They need to be small enough to fit in a sprint but big enough to be meaningful. Clear and concise user stories are essential for effective implementation. Here's how to create a user story using the Typenomore plugin on Figma. It's fast and easy. First, prepare your design. Ensure it's clear and complete. Pro tip: use real case scenarios instead of placeholder text. Next, click the resource icon at the top. Go to the Plugins tab and search for Typenomore. Double-click to run it. Then, select the frame you want to process. Choose User Story from the drop-down. And voila! Your user story is ready. The AI will analyze your design from top to bottom, saving you time and boosting your productivity.